Struggling with a high-interest car loan? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you the smart and effective ways to pay it off fast, saving you money and stress. Step 1. Understand your loan terms. Know your interest rate, remaining balance, and payment schedule. This is the foundation of your repayment plan. Step 2. Make extra payments whenever possible. Even a small additional payment can significantly reduce your loan balance and save you on interest. Step 3. Refinancing could be a game changer. If your credit score has improved, you might qualify for a lower interest rate, saving you hundreds or even thousands. Step 4. Trim your expenses. By cutting unnecessary spending, you can free up money to pay off your car loan faster. Step 5. Boost your income. Side hustles, freelancing, or selling unused items can bring in extra cash to tackle that loan head-on. Step 6. Use windfalls wisely. Got a tax refund, bonus, or gift money? Put it toward your car loan and make a big dent in your balance. Finally, stay motivated. Visualize the freedom of being debt-free and celebrate small milestones to keep yourself on track. Paying off a high-interest car loan isn't easy, but with the right strategies and a little discipline, you can do it. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching.